Here's our Jake. You see, after 5 days, every day sandblasting from 8 to 5, 2 hour break to recycle the sand. Not so bad. That replacement battery apron on the passenger side, that white black right there. This is the jig attached to the frame right there, you see. See the battery apron support, I mean the radiator apron support. We sandblasted and we painted. A few more, maybe another day to finish under the hood, that side right there. A lot of work. I had to do the same thing to the other two car Mustang, another 66 and then the 69 GT. And then a few more days. Sandblasting and prime. That is the real axe and the C10 transmission for the 66 Mustang. Lot of tools, folks. More. Next video I will show you all the replacement parts, engine, what is the radiator, and this is the jig support from the back, mounted right at the frame, the back on both sides. Car part everywhere, folks. Imagine 3 Mustang completely strip up, and then have to keep them in order. Every part, everything. I'm going crazy, but it's all good.